In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tables from multiple sources into one master database in Microsoft Access. We'll start right inside Microsoft Access, open the app, and create a new blank database that will serve as your master. Give it a clear name so you know this is the central place where all records will end up. This master file will hold your final tables, and you'll bring data in from each source before consolidating it. Next, bring your source tables into this master file. On the ribbon, go to the External Data tab. In the Import and Link group, click New Data Source and choose the format that matches your data, such as another Access database, Excel, text or CSV, or an ODBC source. This opens the Get External Data wizard. Follow the prompts carefully. Decide whether to import, which makes a local copy inside your master, or link, which keeps data at the original location but lets you use it here. Importing is best when you're building a permanent master. Linking is helpful if the source updates frequently. Select the tables or worksheets you need and finish the wizard. Once your sources appear in the navigation pane, it's time to consolidate using append queries. Go to the Create tab and choose Query Design. Add the source table you want to merge, then switch the query type to append. In the Append dialog, choose your destination master table and confirm. Now map the fields. In the query grid, add the columns from the source table that you want to move. Use the append to row to align each source field with the correct destination field. Field names don't have to match exactly, but data types should. For example, dates should map to date fields, numbers to numbers. If a column doesn't have a home in the master, leave it out or add that field to the master table before running the query. When everything lines up, run the query and approve the confirmation dialog so the records are added. As you consolidate, watch for duplicates and auto number fields. If your master table uses an auto number primary key, do not append values into that key. Let Access assign new IDs. To control duplicates, ensure your master table has a unique index on the appropriate combination of fields, or add criteria to your append query to exclude records you've already loaded. Repeat the append process for each source table until everything is merged. When you're done, you'll have a clean, centralized master database ready for reporting, analysis, and future updates.